Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new vehicle which we've just had delivered into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi S-line with the 55 e-tron Quattro transmission. This particular model is finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty, stylish and modern from every angle. With the 300 kilowatt battery, you get 402 brake horsepower with 664 Newton meters of torque, getting you from 0 to 62 in around 5.6 seconds. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch 15-spoke alloy wheels in graphite grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 528 litres of boot space, which is perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and with the rear seats folded down you get 1,567 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in twin black leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury, with centre armrest bringing up the comfort, as well as the rear air vents so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we had the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and the central touchscreen climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and for the driver we have 2 levels of preset for memory function for 2 drivers. Just above the virtual cockpit we have the heads-up display offering all important information for you on the road itself. And speaking of the virtual cockpit, it can be configured using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel to your preference, and on the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and the adaptive air suspension raises and lowers itself with ease, and as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the 360-degree camera system so you never have to worry about damaging that paintwork, and the Park Assist which lets the car park itself for you, you just have to follow the prompts on screen. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.